Hi, and welcome to the society.
Hey, yeah, we should come together. Let's be heroes in the night. Like spotlights beaming in the black sky. We can lift the darkness with our light. 'Cause everybody's in harmony.
Together now,
Harmony.
all together now,
Harmony.
together now,
Everybody's in harmony.
all together now,
Harmony.
all together now,
Harmony.
together now.
We should come together. Let's be heroes in the night. Like spotlights beaming in the black sky. We can lift the darkness with our light. 'Cause everybody's in harmony.
Together now,
Harmony.
all together now,
Harmony.
together now,
Everybody's in harmony.
all together now,
Harmony.
all together now,
Harmony.
together now. In harmony.
I am Jackson. I'll be your host. Horton, come on. We got no time for that. We need to keep on our mission.
We must become invisible, travel silently, for there are forces that would seek to destroy us.
What was that? I don't know, but we should probably get going. And sorry, I was just trying to practice on my kung fu skills to make sure if anyone tries to attack us, I could start using my kung fu skills to fight back at them. Oh, I see. Well, what is it? Nothing. Just nothing. Yeah, let's get on the move before. Hurry, Hiccup! Make a run for it! What you gonna do about it now, hothead? Oh, you're going to pay for it.
Here we go.
Ah, cool line. Usually I can't think of those things till later.
On the road, shall we? Oh, yeah. We should probably get going. Yo, bro, what you looking at? There's some random dude just running away from us. He even passed us, too.
いやんわ